Hold on and meet the Samsung 860 EVO. Welcome to another quick unbox series. Think you need a new PC because yours is slow? The 860 EVO packs a punch. This is an ideal upgrade for people who are still using hard drives on their PC. I was lucky enough to purchase the 860 EVO for $120 while on sale. It's all very straightforward. In the box we have the SSD along with the instruction. One thing to keep in mind upon purchasing: the 860 EVO does not come with the SATA 3 cable. You'll need to provide that on your own. But overall, this is a fantastic upgrade with blazing transfer speeds. If you guys time it well enough and buy this on sale, it's definitely a great value for money. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed our quick unbox series. Hit like and subscribe for more future content. Cheers!